Patriots, it's Principal Rivera here, and we are excited to show you the virtual sneak peek of our new building. Come on in. Our first stop is the Media Center, where we have plenty of new books for you to check out, lots of new furniture. Wow, there's so many new spaces in the new school. We have a skills lab for computers. We have a science lab. Every classroom has a bathroom. Every classroom has cubbies and space for the students. So we're just excited to be able to have the rooms available for the children to come and learn. We also have some playgrounds outside and green space for those students to get their exercise. We have a new PE pavilion and a new basketball court. And we also have a brand new cafeteria with lots of space to be able to spread out for when the students are able to eat their lunch, and also for when we have programs that we can share with the families. So we have a lot of space there as well. We're also excited because of all the new technology that's being provided here with our interactive smart panels. And my staff is excited about their Zen Den, where they can go and relax and rest during their lunchtime. Our Positive Patriots are very excited about the changes that are taking place. So we're just thrilled to be able to have a place to welcome them back when we can have them on campus. We want to thank our school board member, Linda Cobert, for her help in making this dream possible so that we can have a future success with our Winegard students. Thank you for joining us on our virtual tour of our new building. We are excited to have you join us on our road to success here at Winegard.